Hi, welcome to RMK Services. In this video, I will guide you how to link your LLC or S corporation in your Amazon Seller Central and how to convert your individual account details into business account. If you are interested in this topic, so please stick to the video and watch it patiently. So without any further wasting of time, let's dive into it. Okay, first of all, you will head over to the top right side on Amazon dashboard and click on settings, then click on account info. It will lead you to this account information section. Then under the tax information section, click on tax information and it will lead you to legal entity page. So now there you will have to update your tax information. Just simply click on update tax information, and after clicking on it, there you will have to answer some questions to be asked. So don't hesitate, just go ahead and open your LLC documents and start pasting your details. So here, click check this yes option and then change your address according to your LLC details. So here you will do everything on your own. I can't help here. Then after submitting this information, go back and click on account info again. And now you'll have to review the legal entity that you had changed. So click on legal entity and then it will lead you to the same page which you had opened. So there you will see your LLC name that you had changed there, and now it has been activated. So congratulations, you are now ready to launch your product. Have a nice journey. If you guys are satisfied with my video, so kindly show some support to the channel. Like and share it with your friends and fellows. If you people have any sort of questions regarding this topic, so please don't hesitate. Drop down in the comment section. I will definitely try to follow up. Thank you very much.